Hello everyone, we're here to discuss the freshwater ecosystem. Freshwater ecosystem include rivers, lakes, ponds, and streams, where the water has low salt concentration. These support the diverse range of plant and animal life, contributing to biodiversity and providing essential resources for humans, such as drinking water and food. These ecosystems are highly interconnected and sensitive to environmental changes. There are three types of freshwater ecosystem: the low-tech ecosystem, the land-tech ecosystem, and the wetland ecosystem. But we will focus to low-tech ecosystem and the land-tech ecosystem. But first, what is low-tech ecosystem?
The low-tech environment refers to freshwater ecosystem characterized by following water such as rivers, streams, and lakes. And low-tech environment. 1. Following water low-tech ecosystem are defined the continuous movement of water, which can vary into speed from low-moving stream to fast-flowing river. This flow create dynamic habitats that includes the distribution of organisms and the availability of resources. Maagos ang tubig. Ang mga low-tech ecosystem ay tinutukoy na tuloy-tuloy na paggalaw ng tubig na maaaring mag-iba ang bilis mula sa mabagal na daloy ng mga sapa hanggang sa mabilis na pag-agos ng mga ilog. Lumilikha ng daloy na ito ng mga dinamikong tirahan sa nakakaimpansa sa pamamahagi ng oras, mga organismo, at mga pagkakaroon ng mga mapagkukunan. 2. High oxygen level. Flow water find to have higher oxygen levels. Compared to water, our oxygen is continually being mixed in the water. Column this support drivers of aquatic life, including first invertebrates and plants adapted to oxygen-rich condition. 2. Mataas na antas na oxygen ang maagos na tubig na posibilidad na magkakaroon ng mas mataas na antas ng oxygen kumpara sa standard na tubig dahil ang oxygen ay patuloy na inahabol ang kolom ng tubig. Sinusuportahan ito ng makakaibang hanay o buhay ng tubig, kabilang ng mga isda, invertebrate, at mga halaman na inangkop sa mga kondisyon na mayaman sa oxygen. 3. Habitat diversity. Low-tech environment habitat and diversity of habitat, including rivers, falls, and runs, each with its own characteristics and species. This habitat provide different level of flow, substrate types, and nutrients availability contribution of overall ecosystem diversity. 3. Magkaiba-iba ng tirahan. Ang mga low-tech na paligiran ay nagpapakita ng iba't ibang tirahan, kabilang ang mga ripples, falls, and run. Bawat isa ay may sariling natatanging katangian at natitipon ng mga species ng mga tirahan, at ito ay nagbibigay ng iba't ibang antas ng daloy, lalim, or uri ng substrate at pagkakaroon ng nutrient na nag-aambag sa paghatag ng ibang iba ng ekonomiya. ecosystem economy. 4. Nutrient transmission lotic ecosystem play a crucial roles in the transport of nutrients. This maintain an organic matter down system, the flow of water, the movement and flowing both local and downsystem ecosystem. Or paghahatid ng substansya sa mga lotic ecosystem ay may mahalagang papel na pagdadala ng mga substansya, cement or organiskong bagay na ibaba ng agos, pinagpadali ang daloy ng tubig ng paggalaw ng mga substansya at siya ang nakaka-impensya sa mga lokal at pababang ecosystem. 5. Physical process and dynamic of lotic environment are influenced by physical process such as erosion, extraction, and geology. This process shape our landscape and in the distinction and adjustments to organisms. 5. Physical na proseso. Ang dynamic or environment ay naibansahan na mga physical na proseso tulad ng erosion, sedimentation, and hydrology. Ang mga proseso ito ay humuhubog sa tanawin, lumilikha ng pagkakaiba-iba ng tirahan at nakaka-impluwensya sa pamamahagi at kasaganahan ng mga organismo. Overall, lotic environment are dynamic and diverse ecosystem that support a wide range of aquatic life and play important roles in drainage, cycling, water quality, and landscape connectivity. Sa pagkalahatan, ang mga lotic na paligiran ay nagbabago at nagpakakaibang ecosystem na sumusuporta sa isang malawak na hanay ng buhay sa tubig at gumaganap ng mahalagang papel sa nutrients, cycling, kalidad ng tubig at koneksyon sa landscape.
The lentic environment refers to water ecosystems characterized by still or slow-moving water, such as lakes, ponds, and wetlands. In lentic environment, still or slow-moving water, unlike lotic ecosystems, lentic ecosystem feature water that is relatively still or moves at a slow pace. This lack of significant flow leads to distinct environmental conditions compared to lotic environments. Lower oxygen levels. Lentic ecosystems tend to have a lower oxygen level compared to lotic ecosystems because stagnant water is less effective at mixing oxygen throughout the water column. This can result in stratification with oxygen levels decreasing at deeper depths. Shoreline and littoral zones. Lentic ecosystems often have well-defined shoreline areas and littoral zones, which are shallow areas near the shore where sunlight penetrates to the bottom. These zones support diverse communities of plants, algae, invertebrates, and small fish. Thermocline. In deeper lentic environments, a thermocline may develop, creating distinct layers of waters with different temperatures. This can influence the distribution of aquatic organisms and affect water quality dynamics. Nutrient accumulation. Lentic ecosystems have tendency to accumulate nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus, which can lead to eutrophication, the excessive growth of algae and aquatic plants. Eutrophication can have negative impacts on water quality and ecosystems health. Sedimentation. Due to the relatively calm water conditions, lentic ecosystems are prone to sedimentation, where particles of soil and organic matter settle to the bottom of the water. This process can affect water clarity and habitat quality. Biodiversity. Despite the relatively stable environment, lentic ecosystem supports a rich diversity of aquatic life, including fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and variety of invertebrates. The quality of different habitats within lentic ecosystems contributes to this biodiversity. Overall, lentic ecosystems are characterized by their tranquil water condition, diverse habitat, and unique ecological processes, which support a wide range of organisms and provide important ecosystem service.